Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss the various definitions of the strategic management by the various scholars. According to John Peirce and Terry, strategic management is the set of decisions and actions resulting in formulating and implementing of strategies designed to achieve the objectives of an organization. According to Jerry Johnson and Kevin Scholes, strategic management is not only concerned with taking decisions about major issues facing the organizations, but also concerned with ensuring that strategy is put into effect. It can be thought as having three main elements: strategic analysis, strategic choice, and strategic implementation within it. According to Whelan and Hunger, the strategic management is the set of managerial actions and decisions that determine long run performance of a corporation. It includes environmental scanning, both external and internal, strategy formulation, that is strategic or long range planning, and strategy implementation and evaluation. Next is the by the Robert A. Pitts and David Lee. Strategic management process consists of steps by which management converts a firm's values, missions, and objectives into workable strategies. Consists of four stages: analysis, formulation, implementation, and adjustments oblique evaluation. And according to Channon, a set of decisions and actions that result in formulation of a strategy and its implementation to achieve the objectives of the corporation. According to Gluck, this is the set of decisions and actions which leads to the development of an effective strategy or strategies to help achieve corporate objectives. The strategic management process is the way in which strategists determine objectives and make the strategic decisions. And according to Lamb, who offered this definition in 1984, the strategic management is an ongoing process that evaluates and controls the business and industries in which the company is involved, assesses its competitors, and sets goals and strategies to meet all existing and potential competitors, and then reassesses each strategy annually or quarterly, that is, the regularly, to determine how it has been implemented and whether it has succeeded or needs replacement of strategy to meet changed circumstances. New technology, new competitors, new environment, or a new social, political, or financial environment. So these were the definitions that are offered by the different scholars belonging to the different areas or the regions in different times. The central idea or overall view of the strategic management that we conclude from these definitions is that strategic management basically involves the long range planning, the organization keeping in view of its internal and external environment, that is called the SWOT analysis. By keeping in view of SWOT analysis, determine its vision and then mission, and then decide about the long range objectives. Then, in order to achieve the long range objectives, strategies are planned out. And then it is find out how these strategies will work. And this is the formulation, and the next is the implementation phase start when we work on these strategies and make the short-term objectives and then policies, and then we implement that how we will work on financial, human, and physical resources and how these resources will be arranged, and how these activities will be managed step by step. And also we evaluate all of these activities and actions taken by the employees and the management. And that's why in one definition the word is used, this is an ongoing process, this is a continuous process. We evaluate ourselves, and if we found correct, we continue our activity, and if we found that we are not doing well, then we take corrective actions and then remanage our activities. So this was about the definitions, and from these definitions we can also find out that the phases are stages of the strategic management. If you are interested in to find out these stages of strategic management, then it is in my another video. I hope you understand the definition or the central idea and the concepts of the strategic management. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.